Hey guys, it's me, Steam Joe again, and you are looking at something that I found outside. Somebody threw it, they actually put it on the curb in the area I live in. When people want to throw away stuff that's too big to fit in the garbage can, they'll just sit it on the curb and a garbage man will pick it up. But I was walking my dog, sun was glaring on the body, and it was shining bright. And I looked and I said, oh shoot, that's a computer case. But what a computer case I found. This is the RAIDMAX SMILODON gaming, extreme gaming case. So as you can see, it has a nice glass panel and a handle to release one side of the case. Then you can do the front, open that up. Now, I don't see any damage on the motherboard, but this will be part of my new segment on my channel. Will it work or not? So basically, I'll find stuff that may look like it still will work. You know, sometimes people just throw stuff out because they want to buy new. So they get rid of the old to get some new. But that old sometimes actually still works. And no, I do not go in people's trash cans. I just, people sit stuff on the curb and like computer cases, motherboards, that kind of stuff, But I never go in the garbage. It's just if somebody sits something on the curb for the garbage man to get and it looks clean like this does, then I'll pick it up, plug it up, and see if it works or not. That's my new thing, if it works or not. So as you can see, RAIDMAX, and I just bought plugs for the power supply. I got, let me rotate it so you guys can see the other side. So here is the back. As you can see, two Ethernet ports. Let me make sure you guys can see it. So two Ethernet ports, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 USBs, headphone jacks, PS2 inputs, and I bought off of eBay Nvidia GeForce 460 graphics card, and that comes with 2 DVI ports, a mini HDMI port, and also, let me rotate it again so you can see the other side. This is the other side. So, make sure you guys can see it. So as you can see, the motherboard is a Nvidia. It's actually a Nvidia Nforce, I think 680i graphics card. I got off of eBay for 12 bucks. The GTX 460, GeForce of course, and it has another fan on the bottom right here. And boy, does this thing come with fans. So you got one right here, and then you got another one in here, and I think another one over there. Hard drive is 500 gig. Yep, there's the hard drive right there. It's plugged in. And there's the heatsink fan. 4 gigs of RAM, DDR2, I think. This motherboard is kind of old, but it is still powerful because this is the one that can do SLI. So if you have 2 of the same graphics cards, you can plug it in, plug both of them in at the same time, and I have double the power. Now, the only question mark with this computer, I did not go and see if there is a processor installed. I'm assuming it is. The reason why I didn't is because I don't have any cooling gel. So I'll wait to buy that to open up and see what the processor looks like, but I'm pretty confident that there is one. Okay, so let me put in one more plug and we will see if it works or not. Okay, sorry about that camera angles, guys. I don't have anybody to hold it for me, so I gotta do it like this. So I just have to plug in one more cable. I have a little adapter I got right here, and it is just to add more SATA connectors. So I'm using this for the CD drive, so I'll be able to install the operating system. There we go. So I found the port. Just came up. This is just the ATA connector for the hard drive. It's kind of wiggling, so that's why it came out. Have to buy a new one. I know you guys can barely see, but that's the best I can do right now. So I'm plugging it in now. I'm a pretty big computer fan. I've been dealing with computers ever since I was that's maybe 8 or 9. So I know my way around the computer pretty good. RAM, hard drives, power supplies, motherboards, graphics cards. I can install all of them. And I'm pretty good at fixing computers too that have errors and that are corrupt. I just recently fixed a computer that was corrupt, a corrupt hard drive, so I'm pretty good with technology. So when I saw this just sitting out there, I couldn't pass it up. The nerd in me. Okay, so trying to get this in. It's kind of hard to see. And always remember when you're plugging stuff in, you gotta make sure your cords are nice and open, so that way you can have good airflow. Because when you're dealing with a lot of heated components, if you don't have the space, and you won't have a case, because it will blow up. If you don't have the space, you won't have a case. Okay, so now plug this into here. If I'm correct, should be right. Yep. Okay. Sorry it's taking so long. I get some new cords. Okay. Can't wait to see how this bad boy runs. Okay, so now we close up. Okay, so now the moment you've all been waiting for, to see if it turns on. Okay guys, the moment you all have been waiting for, to see if this computer works or not. Now, just to let you know, I have not turned it on prior to this video. This is the first time I plugged it up, and this will be my first time seeing if it turns on or not. I don't know why the people who threw it out on the curb did it, but I'm thinking if it is broke, I can fix it. If it's not broke, that's even better, because I found a pretty good case for free. And it's clean and everything, so we don't have to worry about germs. But this will be my first time seeing if it turns on too. So we all gonna find out if it works or not. But a good sign is that this glow in the dark mouse is already emitting light, so that means that there's some power going on. So here's the computer right here, keyboard and mouse. I'm using Philips, what is it? It's not a CRT model. It's based on a CRT body, but it has a HDMI port, so you can run HD images. I think it goes up to like 1080i to see. But it was one of the last models that Philips did of this kind before they went into the flat screen business. And I keep it around just because it's cool, just because it has a body of a CRT, but it has the capabilities of a flat screen, so that's pretty cool. So let's turn on the correct setting or input, which is HDMI, and there's the proof right there. Let me zoom up for you guys. Okay, so let's push the power button and see what happens. Okay, so we have power. And it works. Look at that. It turned on. Okay guys, so the computer came on. I am happy because I was 50-50 as far as did it work or not, you know. But as you can see, it turned on. So let me hit that, see if it opens. This is the DVD drive. It's lit up. Yep. And it opens. And who knows why they threw it out, but I will find out. That is for certain. And there's a power button. That and that. Let me see if I can get the blue light going. Okay, so let's zoom in. Still can't see the light on the camera. I see the light in person, but I'm trying to get it on camera. There's a little bit right there. You can see the fan is spinning, the Intel fan. There we go. Yeah, you see the light? That is cool. Okay, so now I am booting from a Windows 7 CD. And as you can see, it is loading up the files. There's some particles at the top. Oh, there we go. Okay, I was a little concerned with that, but it looked like it's running smoothly. There's the computer, and you can hear it working. Okay, so yeah, just a few little kinks we gotta work out, but for the most part, it is on and working. And I was kind of unsure we would even get to this part, so that is not bad. Okay, guys. But Windows 7 is loading up, and that's my video. So my first segment, does it work or not, went pretty successful. It worked. But guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos, more of this new segment, does it work or not, reactions, reviews, compilation videos, gameplay, you know. Guys, stay tuned. Good stuff is coming. And as always, same job.